Hey everyone, it's ChrissyWoods. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you the tea on this Self-Love Beauty Within You palette. I love the way it comes. It looks like a little book, right? How cute is this? And then on the back of the palette, it tells you everything that's within the palette. It tells you about the 9 shades. You get a highlighter, a blush, a shimmer blush, and also a contour shade. And it opens up. It's like a magnetic book. And it even has a mirror at the top. Like, this palette is so amazing. I was very impressed once I used it to see how well it looked on my skin tone, even with a deeper complexion. I did create this entire look using this palette, from the highlight to the blush, the shadows, everything is from this palette. I do think this look is like perfect for the everyday working woman. If you just want to enhance your natural beauty, this palette is everything you need. You don't have to buy multiple products because you have everything listed right here for you, and it can easily drop down in your purse. So I thought this was a very compact and convenient palette, and I think you'll like it too. Okay, so first I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R39 brush, and it's fluffy like this. And we're going to go in, and I like to do different things. So just because something says it's a blush doesn't necessarily mean we have to treat it as a blush. I'm actually going to use the blush color as a eyeshadow today. So I'm going in with this color right here. It's called, let me turn it around. It's right here, and this color is called Embrace. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, almost like a mauve color. And we're going to take that color and we're going to apply it right to the crease area. And I've already primed my eyes, so that's what you see on my eyes. And as you can see, it just warms up the crease. So next we're going to warm up the crease area, and we're going to go in with a deeper shade. This color is called Dream, and we're just going to take this color and go right into the crease, and we're just going to begin to build the depth within the crease area. So once we get the depth, we're just going to go in with some concealer. This concealer is by Self-Love Cosmetics. You can choose any concealer that you want, and we're basically going to cut the crease. So now, I have hooded eyes, so a cut crease for me is a tad bit more difficult. So you may see me struggle a little bit because I'm still working on my cut creasing skills, but I really enjoy the art of a cut crease. But the idea is to get it as straight as possible, and I probably should have gone in with a different brush. But the idea is just to get the concealer as straight as possible so you can get a very neat and clean crease cut action. And the whole point of the cut crease is to create a different crease. With hooded eyes, our creases are hidden within the folds, so a lot of times we lose a lot of eye space. So with a cut crease, it gives the illusion for me of a larger eye, and it's just a very neat look. So now I'm just taking my finger and I'm blending in the concealer, and you'll later see me set that concealer with the powder, because remember, anything that's wet you need to set in order for it not to move. So you'll see me set this concealer with the powder. So here I'm just going in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just blending out the harsh edge between the concealer and that crease color. We really want to get a more diffused look opposed to a harsh line. So just taking a clean brush and going right across that area, it really diffuses the look and takes out some of the harshness. So this next color that I'm going in with is called Bliss. And this color is going to go right in the inner third of the eye. We're going to build from darkness to lightness. I wanted to do it a little different this time. Typically we go from lightness to darkness, but I wanted to give it a reverse look and just see what it would do. So we're going in with a blending brush, and I'm just patting that color. You don't want to brush it. You want to actually pat this color and pack it on to the inner third portion of your eye. Moving on to the middle portion of our eye, we're going in with this color called Brilliance. This is like Oh my gosh, this color to me is so universal. It is a beautiful eyeshadow, but man, it is also a very beautiful highlighter, and you'll see me use that later. So we're just gonna take this brush and this color, and I'm using that same brush, and we're just gonna pack that in the center of the eye, and we're not going into the first third and not going into the outer third. Just keep it right in the center portion of the eye. So now we're going in with our last and final color for our eye, and this color is called Golden, and this is one of the metallic eyeshadows that's located in the palette, and we're going to put that on the outer third portion of our eye. So now basically what you're seeing me do, I'm packing that color on, but you'll see me take a clean brush and just kind of blend all of those shadows together to get rid of some of the harshness that you will see. Polish off the look, I just grabbed my liquid eyeliner. This liner too is also by Self Love Cosmetics. It's one of my favorite liners simply because the tip of this liner is so fine that it really allows me to get right onto the lash line, and it really helps me to perfect my wing liners. As many of you know, a wing liner is just not something that's very easy, but when I use this pen, it pretty much makes it foolproof for me. This color is Almost Innocent, and this is one of the matte liquid lipsticks from Self Love Cosmetics. Every time I wear this lip color, I get so many compliments on the color. People are always asking me, like, what is on your lips? What color is on your lips? It's a really nice pink color. If you want to really make it more nude, you can always line your lips with a brown liner, and it will really give it an illusion of a nude lip. I decided that I wanted it a little bit more pinky today, so I kept it without a liner. Hey guys, so this is the final look. I was very impressed with the Beauty Within palette, and it has volume 1, so I'm hoping and guessing that there may be a volume 2 coming out soon. Who knows, but I absolutely love this palette. I think you get your money's worth. 9 shadows and 4 blush or highlighter or contour shades plus a mirror, and it's compact. I definitely think it's worth its money. Also, with me having a deeper skin tone, the way these colors pop on my skin, I think is also absolutely amazing. So give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you're interested in this palette or any other products that are by Self Love Cosmetics, everything that I used, I'll have it linked down in the description bar. You can click the link and order your items, but I don't think you will be disappointed. I'm very pleased with the products. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.